Imagine waking up in the morning, grabbing your coffee, and checking your phone to see that you've made money overnight without lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you it's completely possible? Right now, businesses and entrepreneurs are willing to pay thousands of dollars for AI agents that can automate their work, boost sales, and save them time. AI agents are changing the game, and if you get in early, you can make a fortune selling them. This isn't some futuristic fantasy. This is happening now and today. I'm going to show you exactly how you can cash in by selling AI agents online. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to start your own AI business. One of the easiest and most in-demand AI agents you can sell is AI chatbots for customer support. Think about how often you visit a website and see a chatbot pop up, ready to answer questions. Businesses love these because they provide instant responses to customers, improve satisfaction, and cut costs by replacing human support agents. These chatbots can handle frequently asked questions, process orders, and even troubleshoot basic issues without any human intervention. They can also be integrated with CRM systems to store customer interactions and provide a seamless experience. You can set up AI chatbots using platforms like ChatGPT, MiniChat, or Drift and customize them for businesses. Whether it's an online store, a real estate agency, or a law firm, companies need chatbots to handle inquiries, qualify leads, and even close sales. The best part? Once you build and sell a chatbot, you can charge businesses a monthly fee to keep it running. That means passive income for you, month after month. Now, let's talk about AI phone call agents. Have you ever gotten a call from a company that sounded like a real person, but it was actually an AI? That's an AI phone call agent in action. These AI-powered agents can handle appointment bookings, follow-ups, reminders, and even sales calls. Unlike traditional IVR, interactive voice response systems, AI call agents can understand natural language, engage in real conversations, and adapt responses based on customer queries. Businesses in industries like healthcare, real estate, and e-commerce are using AI call agents to automate customer interactions. And here's where you come in. You can set up AI call agents using platforms like Twilio or Google Dialogflow and sell them to businesses. Companies will pay big money for AI that can handle their calls efficiently without hiring more staff. If you charge per call or a monthly subscription, you can scale this into a serious income stream. Next on the list are AI email marketing and automation agents. Email is still one of the most powerful marketing tools, but most businesses don't have time to manually send and optimize their emails. That's where AI email marketing agents come in. These AI tools can write personalized emails, automate responses, and even optimize subject lines for higher open rates. They analyze customer interactions to determine the best time to send emails, segment audiences based on behavior, and personalize content dynamically. With platforms like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, or ChatGPT-powered email assistants, you can offer businesses a complete AI-driven email marketing solution. They'll gladly pay you for an AI system that generates leads and increases sales on autopilot. And if you offer ongoing email campaign management, you can turn this into a recurring revenue business. Now, let's dive into AI-powered marketing agents. Imagine an AI that can analyze data, run ad campaigns, and optimize marketing strategies automatically. Businesses spend billions on digital marketing, and AI-powered marketing agents help them get better results while reducing workload. These agents can track consumer behavior, predict trends, and adjust marketing campaigns for maximum profitability. AI can also manage A/B testing, recommend budget adjustments, and optimize ad placements in real time. You can create and sell AI marketing agents using tools like HubSpot AI, Jasper AI, or custom GPT-based models. Offer your AI services to businesses that run Facebook ads, Google ads, or influencer marketing campaigns, and they'll pay you handsomely for AI that increases their return on investment. AI virtual assistants are another goldmine. These AI agents act like personal assistants, handling everything from scheduling appointments to answering emails and even booking travel. Entrepreneurs, executives, and busy professionals love virtual assistants because they save time and increase productivity. These AI assistants can integrate with calendars, smart home devices, and productivity apps to provide a seamless experience. You can set up AI virtual assistants using tools like ChatGPT, X.AI, or Replica and sell them as a service to high-net-worth individuals, freelancers, or businesses. If you charge a monthly subscription for access to the AI assistant, you can create a stable and scalable income stream. One of the hottest AI agents in demand right now is the AI social media posting and management bot. Businesses and influencers rely on social media for growth, but managing social media accounts can be overwhelming. AI-powered bots can create, schedule, and post content across platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. These bots can even engage with followers, respond to comments, and analyze engagement data. With AI-powered tools like Hootsuite AI, Buffer, or custom GPT bots, you can set up automated social media agents for businesses and charge a monthly fee for their use. Companies will happily pay you to handle their social media presence while they focus on other aspects of their business. AI meeting and scheduling bots are another easy way to make money. These AI agents handle meeting requests, book appointments, and sync calendars automatically. Instead of hiring assistants to manage their schedules, businesses and professionals can use AI-powered scheduling bots. These bots can integrate with Google Calendar, Outlook, and Zoom to streamline scheduling. You can build and sell these AI agents using platforms like Calendly AI, Microsoft Bookings, or custom GPT scripts. If you set up these AI agents for law firms, doctors, consultants, or coaches, they'll pay you for a solution that saves them time and reduces no-shows. Offer a one-time setup fee plus a monthly maintenance plan to maximize your earnings. If you love research and data, AI market research and competitive analysis agents are a powerful way to make money. Businesses need data to make informed decisions, but manually gathering and analyzing data takes time. AI-powered research agents can scan millions of data points, track competitors, and generate insights automatically. These agents can process financial reports, online reviews, and social media trends to provide actionable insights. You can create and sell AI research agents using platforms like IBM Watson, ChatGPT, or custom AI scrapers. Target businesses that need industry insights, stock market trends, or customer behavior analysis. Charge them per report or offer a subscription model where they get fresh AI-generated reports every month. Now, let's talk about one of the most profitable AI agents, AI content creation agents. Content is king in the digital world, and businesses need a constant flow of blog posts, product descriptions, video scripts, and ad copy. AI-powered content creation agents can generate high-quality content in seconds, saving businesses time and money. These AI agents can optimize SEO, analyze audience engagement, and even generate images and videos. With AI tools like Jasper AI, ChatGPT, and Copy.ai, you can set up content generation services and sell them to businesses, bloggers, and agencies. You can charge per piece of content, set up a subscription plan, or offer an AI-powered content service for websites and brands. The demand for AI-generated content is massive, and you can cash in on this trend. Finally, we have AI financial forecasting and investment agents. These AI-powered systems analyze financial data, predict stock market trends, and help investors make smarter decisions. Hedge funds, financial advisors, and traders are all looking for AI that can give them an edge in the market. These AI agents can analyze economic indicators, detect market anomalies, and suggest optimized investment strategies. You can build and sell AI investment agents using platforms like AlphaSense, TradingView AI, or custom GPT-based financial models. Offer AI-powered stock analysis, cryptocurrency predictions, or risk assessment tools, and you'll attract clients who are willing to pay a premium for advanced AI insights. The AI revolution is happening right now, and those who get in early will have the biggest advantage. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for AI agents that save them time, cut costs, and increase their revenue. Whether it's chatbots, virtual assistants, marketing automation, or AI-powered research tools, the demand is skyrocketing. The best part? You don't need to be a programmer to start. Many platforms allow you to set up AI agents with minimal coding, and you can even white label existing solutions and sell them as your own. This is one of the most lucrative online opportunities today, and the sooner you start, the sooner you can start making money. So, take action now, explore the AI tools available, and position yourself as an AI solutions provider. The future is AI, and it's time for you to cash in. Videos about new and latest AI agents will be added to this channel. Therefore, like and subscribe, and write down in the comments your experiences with AI agents so we can discuss together. See you in the next video.